My name is Reverend Dr. Barry King, and I have a simple spiritual truth I'd like to share with you. And that is that consciousness exists at all levels. We often don't think about it in these terms, but from stars to planets, crystals to plants, animals to human and spirit beings, life in all of its forms is conscious and evolving. Consciousness pervades all of creation, from the hum of an atom to the song of galaxies. Each form, no matter how small, carries awareness suited to its purpose. When we honor this truth, we begin to see the sacred intelligence animating every facet of existence. Reverence replaces dominance. Humility replaces indifference. We are connected to and part of divine consciousness. And divine consciousness fills all of creation, animates all of creation. We are connected to everything. Spirit speaks through every vibration, through stone, through stream, and star alike. To awaken is to listen with the whole heart, until even silence reveals its consciousness. Thank you for allowing me to share. I wish you love and joy, and God bless.